Although life is still not perfect for me, for the past couple of months, I've been waking up every day with a smile in my face, always excited to get out of bed. The highlight of my day is always getting out of the house, rushing to the beach, surfing, whether it's by myself, whether it's with Ellie or with my friends, until I feel my stomach crumbling. Even if I'm out in the ocean just surfing for 4 hours, it could feel like it's just been 20 minutes. That's how much I never get sick of doing what I do. I guess it's how I know I love it. It's not hard to start a day and end the day always being positive when you're around something like this and people that you really get along with, that you love, that love you back for who you are, and they don't judge you for the things that people have said. I'm done pretending. I'm done having to say things just according to what I've learned. Now I want to speak for myself, and I want to say things based on my own values and principles. The number one thing that I always teach Ellie is to choose kindness no matter what. And we live like everybody else in this day and age, where we watch movies together, we use technology, we go online, which is normal, completely normal. Life is all about balance. When you find that balance, you can fall apart or experience obstacles in life. As long as you meet that balance in your life, you're always going to be okay.